Hi guys, Adriana back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a beach vlog, and we made it to the town. So yeah, so we get down to the beach. So guys, we haven't made it to the beach. We just came back from Ross. I didn't get anything, but let's go. Hey, let's go. Down there by the candy shop. Let's go.
1, 2. That one.
It's down that way.
No, that Mexican restaurant. Oh, no, the one down here. Oh, that's
Yeah, there's one down there.
There's another one down here.
Chicken?
Yeah, let's turn around and get back on the bus. There's one right by the tattoo shop. That's right.
Yeah.
She did a big burp.
Yeah. The beach looks amazing.
Can't film the baby.
I was to film the baby. Look at the screen. Okay. Baby. The background looks so amazing. Baby. Okay, wanna try to get this off the sand? Wanna try to get this off the sand? Let's give it a go. I'm not waiting until she comes back, so. I moved 1 centimeter. I don't know. Okay, I can't record.
We just have to walk one down, one block.
Down 1 block. It's not that bad. Mom, remember we ate here once with Dad?
Oh, yeah. We had breakfast here.
Yeah, we had breakfast.
Wasn't it Valentine's Day or Mother's Day?
Yeah. It might have been Father's Day. I'm not sure.
No, I didn't take him out for Father's Day.
No, one time for his birthday, you took him to Chuck E. Cheese. We bought him that chocolate cake.
Oh, yeah, something like this.
Oh, I know.
Be nice.
Yeah, these are nice.
Little cottage. Even those little cottages too are nice over there.
Yeah, those are nice. I don't know. I just want the condo by the beach. That's my
I
eye.
just want to come back to the beach.
You know, when I turn 25 and I have my job, I'm getting a condo. One of those condos.
I miss when I come down here. I always get so sad when I gotta leave again.
I know,
Because I've been down here all my life, so.
Because Kearney Mesa's just so dull.
It's so dull.
All you see is a lot of people that look like me.
That is so cool. Ah, sick.
Can't you drive underwater with those?
No.
Because I have ones like those.
Yeah, they got like a pipe that comes up the side.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, I just want to get a nice career when I'm an adult. Like I want to do basketball. Mom, like,
Arms going?
Mom, like,
to push?
Mom, like, I want to do
Get
basketball.
your sensation back. Want me to push?
Mommy,
Ah.
mommy.
What?
Like, I want to do basketball for like a couple years, and then when I make enough money, just come down here and buy a condo, and then buy a house in Point Loma with a pool. Wouldn't that be nice? Do you know what house I want?
Remember Josie for like
I'm vlogging.
1800? It was a house for 1800.
Yeah, it has 2 bedrooms.
It had 2 bedrooms, but then they had the garage and they had all that stuff. That's
Yeah.
sweet. And it was only like about what? How many blocks up?
It's about 5
blocks away from
5
the
blocks from the beach. Maybe
1800.
five,
Can you
maybe
imagine
5,
a
6
house for
blocks from the
1800?
beach.
What? 1800. That's not bad. 1800 a month. Wow. Well, if we
But it's kind of not even worth it because the condos would be better. You get the.
No, I'm saying if we
I like his vans.
Yeah, if we split at 1800, that wouldn't be nothing. No? Yeah.
But it's more worth it for the condo. You get the beach, the grass,
No,
and they're 3 stories. We would never.
Backyard. Some soda.
I-
Turn around and sit down.
If you want soda, we have soda. Do we have soda, Mom?
Mm-hmm. And we have a cup too.
Yeah, we have soda and a cup and a straw.
Oh, she has some.
That's right.
Mom, but the condo, we would never see each other because it's 3 stories. Before. if you count the lower
Do we know
level.
where her binky is? Look at this.
Um,
Her binky was, I think you put it in here.
yeah.
I think that's where you had it class. Oh, but if we split it 1,800, that wouldn't be nothing.
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
900 apiece. Right. For a nice sick house with a big backyard?
But mom, where would me and Sissy share a room?
Well, we would get a big enough. They would have to be some 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms. I mean, and not only that, but I could go to Home Depot and get a wall splitter. Yeah.
Wall splitter? Oh.
Yeah, the room would be huge. I mean, like you could separate you could separate the room into 2 different bedrooms or 3 different bedrooms.
I just really want to own a house, so if I need to make bigger rooms, I can knock down a wall.
You can't do that.
Well, you can always ask the landlord if it's.
No. That's not gonna happen. Sorry. It doesn't work. It doesn't quite work like that.
Yeah. So guys, we are in Rite Aid.
Just imagine like the meanest, cruelest person you could ever imagine, and then just imagine him saying, "I need my food."
So guys, as I was saying, we're in Rite Aid right now, looking for some stuff. I'm gonna get some ice cream. Ice cream. Ooh, this is pretty. For $10. This is pretty. Mom, look, check out these. That's nice. This is nice. Hey, I wear it. It's cool. It's cool. No, I'm not. These are $14. Mommy, look, size 8. Look, these are cool. They're just like my other ones. Yeah, these are a little bit cooler though. They won't die as fast. So. $26 on what? The brace?
2 of them. That's way cheaper. Let me just see what this looks like. Oh no, this is not going to do anything for me.
No, it's not.
No. I mean, all the
So
gray,
guys, right now we're in Target in the
the black.
towel section,
Oh hell yeah, that's nice.
and it was just supposed to be a beach vlog, but it's not. So.
Girl.
Oh, look, Mom, they have those racks that I want for my shoes. They have them over here.
Here we go.
Oh, Mommy, this is the kind of shelf I want. Mom, for my closet. Look, Mom. Mom. It wasn't a rack, it was a shelf. I like this one. I like this one. Mommy. But here's a shelf that I would need for my shoes. Like that one right there. That one. Mommy, like that one. That one? See, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
5 little.
You didn't tell me I had.
And I want those for my clothes. Look. Well, Mom, look, like those ones? Like the black ones I showed you for my clothes.
Did I get it off?
Yeah, you got it off. Well, I'm sorry. Ooh, these are nice. I like these. Mommy, these are nice. Where do you find the ones with the open up doors?
They come with bags. All you use is your.
We got a new place. This would be the perfect spot to shop for stuff.
Yeah, the ones over there. I want
There should be more.
Ooh, these are big. Mommy, look.
Oh, I like those.
I like these ones.
They're the $60.
$49.99, 50 bucks. Who says 50 bucks on these big ass things?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You get that cheaper in.
Big lots for like 20.
What?
Oh no, it's not touchscreen. Ooh, a Chromebook. Mom, guess what?
Life goes.
Guess what?
What?
I found a computer for $149. It's a Chromebook.
Okay.
Oh, really?
It is nice. It's all white.
Wow.
It's nice.
You gotta sit
Baby
down.
clothes. Sit down. I have sand on my bra. Hey, Mom.
Oh, wow. Mommy.
So, guys, we are just finishing up the rest of our shop. And I have two sets of eyes. I have this ones, and then I have these ones. So, yeah.
I will get her. I have to get her this.
So, yeah, we're almost done with Target, and then we're gonna be heading home. And this vlog is kind of long, so yeah. Peace. Till further events happen.
Is Adriana okay? You notice I bargain shop
When you shop, you don't buy a lot of stuff.
You're right, I don't.
Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. It was a good day. We went to the beach. We went to OB Beach, and then we went to Target,
beach.
and we've been our beach, and we went to Target. We've been here for a couple hours. What do you say about it?
Well, I say I'm ready to go home.
Hey, I got sunburned a couple places too.
Yep.
My face is red.
I got some
Anyway,
right there.
guys, thank you guys for watching, and give me a like or dislike and a comment down below. Peace.